So normally on the template, I do it on the router table, but I got me a plunge router, and I really like it for the fact I can see what the bit is doing, because I've had bits slip or come out and cause problems. And it's pretty good. I can control it pretty easy. I can set the depth and go down slowly and adjust how deep I want to go. But I want to make sure that this wheel is always riding on the edge of the template. Right, like this will be the first cut because this is the deepest. This is 1.5 inch deep. So I might even have to get that final depth without the template on there. But anyway, I can, looks like if I set it on the edge like this, I can look and see how it's going to ride. It's going to be a pretty deep cut first. I usually don't go this deep on the first shot, but since it's so deep, I think I'll be okay with it. This has a lock on the back and lets it come up like that. It starts slow too. Forgot my ear protection. Always wait for the bit to stop before I do anything with it. It's got a lock back here, so I can lock it down. I don't have to hold it down, and it gets a good straight cut at the bottom. Because it's spring loaded and it is hard to hold down. I just gotta go down now to that depth on that one. Then according to my chart here, this one has to be 7/8 inch. And the rest of these are 5/8 inch. The neck pocket, I'll probably do on the router table because I don't want to get so close to this edge that router tips or anything. I'll have a better flat surface on the router table. Okay, got all the routing done. It is a guitar body now. Got everything down to the depths they're supposed to be. I rounded off the corners with a round over bit. It says you're supposed to round it off at 7/16. Only thing I have is 3/8 or 1/2 inch, so I went with 3/8. Doesn't matter that much, I don't think. I've never had an issue with it before. And if you notice, I have some lines drawn here. Now I could be done with this thing, sand it off, you know, and get ready to build a guitar with it or sell it or whatever. But you'll notice I have a line on this side too. It cuts across here. So what I'm going to do, cut it at a slant here for comfort this way, and this is what they call a belly. I forgot the name of it. There's a name for it. But make it more comfortable for your stomach holding it down here. So it'll be thinner in this area. So I got the belly comfort edge ground down a little bit. And this ground down a little bit. I'll have to do the rest of it sander, but I started grinding it down with this. I'm going to have to use sander and get all the gouges out from that machine and get it maybe down a little bit more. And when it's all sanded down, I'll get it down to about 320 grit probably, get it looking nice and smooth, and it'll be done as far as having the guitar body goes. So I'll bring it back and give you one final look at it when it's finished.